Hello, boys and girls. So in Unit 5, we will be doing Lesson 7 today. And in Lesson 7, you will be able to understand the schwa sound and read 2 to 3 syllable words and identify the subject and predicate in sentences. Now, what is schwa? Schwa is that little e upside down, okay? If you say the word banana, what do you notice about that first A in banana? What sound does that first A make in banana? That's right, you hear the sound, banana. You hear it at the end as well. Okay, so schwa is the mysterious unstressed vowel sound explained. And we'll talk a little bit more about it. Let's look at our vowel code flipbook. We have schwa, the sound, spelled with an A. And we have schwa again, that sound, spelled with an E. Okay? So let's look at some examples. We'll look at numbers 1 through 5. Number 1 is benefit. Say benefit. And do you hear schwa in benefit? Do you hear that sound? I do too. I hear it in the second E. Ben-a-fit. Okay, let's look at number 2. Severe. Do you hear in severe? I do too. I hear it with that first E. Severe. Okay, let's go to number 3. Decay. Do you hear schwa in decay? I do too. I hear it in that first E. Decay. And let's look at number 4. Appetite. Appetite. I hear with that first E. Appetite. Okay, and let's go on to number 5. Tennessee. You hear with the second E. Tennessee. Okay, let's move on. I have a story for all of you. It's called The Spelling Spoilers. Deep in his underground lair, the head spelling spoiler spoke to the other spelling spoilers. Fellow spoilers, our plot to ruin spelling in the United States is going well. He paused to let out a long cackle of strange-sounding laughter. Now let's look at the first picture. The head spelling spoiler went on. There are lots of children out there who can't spell well, and there are lots of adults who can't spell well either. And best of all, there are adults who are telling children that English spelling makes no sense. All of these things show that our master plan to ruin spelling in this country is working. Then he cackled again. All the other spoilers began whispering happily among themselves. Then the head spoiler lowered his voice and began speaking again. But I am afraid the news is not all good. Let's look at the second picture. I have received an alarming report from Utica. It seems the students at Utica Academy of Science are learning what they need to know to become very good spellers. The spoilers fidgeted in their seats nervously. I am especially concerned about second grade's class. I am told students in that class know 5 ways to spell the O sound. The spoilers moaned. I am told students in 2nd grade's class know 4 ways to spell the A sound. The spoilers groaned. And worst of all, I am told students in 2nd grade know 7 ways to spell the E sound. The spoilers gasped. No, it can't be true, cried one of the spoilers. The head spelling spoiler spoke again. Fellow spoilers, I don't have to tell you the situation is serious. If those students can spell sounds like A, O, and E, they are on the verge of becoming good spellers. There's only one thing that can stop them from becoming really good spellers, and that is our old friend, schwa. Ah, yes, schwa. The spoilers all smiled and nodded. They knew that schwa had been messing up children's spelling for many years. Schwa caused more spelling problems than almost anything else. It was a spelling spoiler's best friend. You spoilers all know schwa is a sound that sounds a lot like ah. But it is not necessarily spelled with the letter U. And that's just what we need to ruin the children's spelling. Ah, ah, ah. Now, the next few weeks are going to be very important. I want all of you to make yourselves invincible. Then, I want you to go out to 2nd grade's classrooms. Whenever the students are writing and they come to a word that has the schwa sound in it, I want you to be there, whispering in their ears. Spell it with a U. Spell it with a U. All the spoilers started to chant. Spell it with a U. Spell it with a U. That's the spirit, said the head spoiler. If you can spell the schwa sound with a U, they will make hundreds of mistakes. He cackled. Oh, oh, oh. So that is the end of the spelling spoilers. Don't let the spelling spoilers fool you. All right, next slide. We're reviewing subject and predicate. Remember, a subject tells who the sentence is about, and a predicate describes the subject, is or does, and it always contains a verb. It includes a verb. For example, the bike rolled down the hill. The subject of that sentence is the bike. That's what the sentence is about. And then the predicate is rolled down the hill. That's what the bike is doing. Okay? Your assignment is to reread The Hungry Troll. And you are going to complete activity 7.2 in your workbook. Okay? You're going to choose a character from Sir Gus. It's either going to be Sir Gus or the troll, okay? And you're going to be reading the chapter that you read before, which is called The Hungry Troll. So from that chapter, you're picking Sir Gus or the troll. And then you're going to write adjectives to describe that character. Okay? First, write the adjective from the text. Now, remember what an adjective is? Yes, an adjective is a describing word. Happy, sad, mad, blue, green, okay? Then write some adjectives on your own. So once you get the adjectives from the text all written down, you're going to make your own adjectives that describe Sir Gus. And then last but not least, you're going to write 2 sentences using some of the adjectives that you listed. Okay, when finished, have your guardian take a picture of it and send it to your classroom teacher through Dojo. And that is it for today. Hope everybody has a great day.